it's me Grace. Welcome back to my channel. I'll be doing my everyday makeup routine as well as skin prep, and it starts with snail mucin. I apply this on damp skin and it leaves your skin so smooth and soft. If you guys are interested, you can use my code GraceK13 at YESSTYLE checkout to save some money. I also use BIOSSANCE repair cream next. This is a really good moisturizer if you have dry skin like I do. I find that it leaves your skin super hydrated and just glowy for your makeup look. Next is my all-time favorite sunscreen, the Hero FORCESHIELD. I love this sunscreen because it has a slight green tint to it, so it evens out most of the redness on your skin, and it also leaves no white cast, which is amazing for sunscreens because most do. Lastly, to the skin prep, I use this lip mask to hydrate and moisturize my lips. For a primer, I use this Rare Beauty 4-in-1 mist. It also refreshes your skin, but it leaves your skin super glowy and also holds your makeup for most of the day. I really love it. I recently bought it and it's probably my new holy grail. For concealer, I use the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer and I place it on areas where I need it, like my under eyes, around my nose, my lip area, and I just blend. I use the Mercier powder next, and I place the powder wherever I put the concealer. I use a Too Cool for School contour powder, and I hit pan on this one because I love it so much. For my facial contouring, I put it under my jawline. I avoid my cheek areas because of my face shape, and I also place some on my forehead. For nose contour, I begin with adding contour on the bottom of my nose and bringing it up to my eye. I avoid adding any contour near my eyebrow though because it makes my nose look longer. As you guys can see in the video, this is exactly how I do it. I also add a line in the middle to balance everything out. For blush, I apply it right on the apples of my cheeks and just bring it out. I also add a little bit on my nose. For my eyebrows, I just kind of fill them in. I don't have a specific method for them. I'm not really good at it either, so I had to leave and then come back. But if anyone is interested in the products in the video, they'll all be in the description box below. This is my all-time favorite eyeshadow. The color is so flattering and also there's small gold glitters in it. It's just so cute and makes your eyes pop. For the method, I just place the eyeshadow over my eyelid crease and not putting any eyeshadow on top of my eyes because I find that doing so makes your eyes look bigger. Next, I apply this glitter eyeshadow. It has a mixture of gold shimmers as well as pearl shimmers. It's super pretty and it makes your eyes like glistening almost and super shimmery. Next, I accentuate my YESSTYLE. If you don't know what that is, YESSTYLE is like the fat underneath your eyes. It just makes your face like balanced. It's super prevalent in East Asian makeup. And I use this eyebrow pencil to first map out where I'm going to place the YESSTYLE. And next I use this Too Faced Peach palette using those two colors that are on the screen and kind of just going over what I put with the eyebrow pencil. I also extend my eyelid crease like I'm doing in the video with some darker eyeshadow. For eyeliner, I use like a gel pencil liner because I think it's easier to work with in my opinion, rather than like liquid eyeliner. So I just kind of drag the eyeliner downwards, make sure it's sharp. I use this method for my eye shape, but if you have a different eye shape, do what's flattering to your eyes. Next is the liquid eye glitter. This is my most favorite part of my makeup routine. I just place the glitter on the areas I drew the YESSTYLE, as well as the inner corners of my eyelids, as well as the very top. I think placing the eye glitters in this triangle format just makes your eyes pop out more, and it's also really pretty. It's just like a triangle of glitter. Next, I use my favorite Muji eyelash color to curl my lashes in a C shape, and then I place my favorite mascara on top of them. This combo makes your lashes last for like the whole day. What would happen if I never found you? This is my current favorite lipstick combo. I use the two lipsticks on the left and I mix them together, and at the very end I add the gloss on top. Next, I use this Shattered Luminous highlighter and I place it along my nose bridge, and my cupid's bow. I also spray my face lastly with the Urban Decay All Nighter, but I forgot to include that. This is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget that all of the products are listed in the description box below. Have a great day everyone. Bye!